How to write prompt in Ghibli Art.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate or write a prompt. First of all, open the web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now enter this site called Ghibli Art.ai. So you'll be in this website. Now here in the middle, tap on this try for free button. In this interface, you can see you can upload your image, and here on the bottom there's the prompt section. So first you must enter your image, so tap on it. Now select the image that you want to convert and tap on done. There are prompts that are available on the bottom, so you can directly select the prompts whichever you like. Here you can even customize your prompts by writing Ghibli styles or other form of animation that you want to change into. So here on the bottom, tap on generate Ghibli image and you will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.